Yuantian's custom fully automatic mattress spraying and stacking production line. YTPJ2, A plus YTDF1 plus YTDD1 is now live.
Yes, see, I don't try to be cool as me. It comes easily. Yes, see, I don't try to be.
It replaces manual glue spraying, saving materials and increasing efficiency significantly. With full servo control for precise measurement. Dual mode glue spraying with 8 guns for customizable trajectories, saving time and glue to meet diverse needs. Automatic net grabbing reduces labor and integrates processes seamlessly.
I don't try to be cool as me. It comes easily. Yes, see, I don't try to be cool as me. It comes easily.
The automatic stacking machine arranges mattresses neatly, saving time and effort. Fully automated control ensures stable and efficient production.